So, Ratthew, what brings you to therapy today?
Motivation. And maybe snacks.
Let's explore your childhood. Any traumas?
My mom made me eat veggies.
And how did that make you feel?
Victimized.
Let's reframe that. What if those veggies made you strong?
Strong. I can open a fridge.
What's your biggest fear?
Mondays and alarms and people.
Let's set a goal. Something small. Maybe one step at a time.
Okay. I'll get out of bed before 2 p.m.
That's huge progress. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks. Can I have a cookie now?
Therapy is hard work.
Yep. I'm earning it bite by bite.
So, head nurse, what do you like to do for fun?
Fun? I'm so busy saving lives, I forgot what fun is.
Let's use imagination. Close your eyes and tell me what you see.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes. My true love, chocolate. Vroom, vroom, out of my way, boring adults. Rockstar head nurse! Woohoo! I'm the queen of Funland. I believe I can fly. World's best artist right here. Vacation mode on. That was amazing.
So what did we learn today?
That I need more play, less stress, and always chocolate. High five!
So, intern, what seems to be the problem?
I can't concentrate at work. Everything is just hard to focus on.
And what makes it so hard?
Well, I keep thinking about my favorite game, Roblox. It's the best. I build, I play, I explore, I have fun. Even when I'm at work, my mind is still there. Meetings? Boring. Reports? Boring. Roblox? Exciting.
So basically, Roblox is more important than your job.
Not more important, just more fun.
I have a diagnosis. Roblox addiction. Don't worry, we can fix this. We can play together.
Really? Yay!
So, what seems to be troubling you today, secretary?
It's my boss, the intern. He thinks about Roblox 24/7. And because of him, I started thinking about Roblox all day too. Spreadsheets, I see hobbies. Emails, I see Roblox messages. Numbers, I see Robux. Even coffee doesn't help anymore. But I can't tell him. I'm scared he'll fire me. If I get fired, how will I buy my limiteds? So I try to fight it. Deep breaths. Focus on work. 1 minute. I'm strong. There goes my focus again.
You're not alone. The Roblox effect is real. But remember, small steps every day. Don't let Roblox control your real life. Work first, play later, or your boss might play fire with you.